So in this video, we are going to see of how we can derive the profit and loss of a firm based on the marginal cost curve and the average total cost function. So imagine that we have a price, a market price that is P star, and we know that the individual firm sets the price equal to its marginal cost to determine the quantity produced. So we have the price where it intersects the marginal cost function, and the quantity that the individual firm is going to produce is QF. Now here in this case, the marginal cost function, since there's a $2 profit on each product sold, the total profit would be the quantity times the profit per unit. And hence the profit of the producer in this case is this entire area here. Okay, so this area here is the profit to the producer. Now, compare this to the situation where we have, again, we have the marginal cost curve and we have the average total cost curve. And now imagine that the price is actually below the average total cost curve. So imagine a price which is here. So then again, the producer sets the price equal to the marginal cost function. And now here assume that the price is still above the average variable cost function, so that the producer is actually still producing and participating in the market. Then the firm chooses QF as their output level. Okay. Now here, though, we see that, say, the price the producer receives is, say, $5. But what it costs them to produce maybe at $6. Okay. Again, where we have here the $6 would be the point on the average total cost function at the production quantity QF. And hence, since the producer is selling something at the price of $5, but is having to pay $6 per unit, the producer makes a loss of $1 per unit, and hence the entire total loss would be the per unit loss times the quantity. So here we have this entire area would be the loss from this production. Okay. So here, if you compare this to the situation that we had before, okay. So here in the situation before where we had a profit, the price was above the average total cost, okay, and here the price is actually below the average total cost. And remember that what matters is the price being set equal to the marginal cost function, and then depending on where this price is, if the marginal cost function is below the average total cost, we are making a loss.